dragon. The dragon. This dragon. He is the dragon from Clank. Clankety clank. This is Clank. And Clank has an expansion, which today, my good friends, and all my clothing, we have a package, and it could just be Clank. How you doing? If this is Clank, this is very exciting, because Clank is one of those games that every time you bring it out, people go, hey, that was fun. So if you need more Clank, don't think that was the right one. Okay, it's clankety clank. Come on, clank, clank, clank. Don't you love good rapping? Oh, it's raining! It's raining! It's raining! Oh. Just what the doctor ordered. Clank is an awesome game about running down underground, getting all the treasure, and as soon as you get the treasure, the dragon wakes up. Let's open the box and have a look. Clank, 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 clank. All right. You can't get enough Clank. Let's have a look at the box. What? Good old advertising. Don't we love it? This looks like component setup and tools of trade. Maybe that's all the rules there is. That's pretty cool. Love a game you don't have to read rules for. Oh, that smells so good. That just smells so cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Clank. And it's not snowing. It's all about water. Now, you see that? There I am. Okay, so you can see, I think there's water. You're in a boat. And I think there's water at the top. And you go down underneath. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And I know at the market, I've heard that you buy a diving helmet so that you can actually, sort of like the key in the original, you buy a diving helmet. But there's still, you know, mystery shapes and things like that on the board here. And oh, there's some padlocks, so maybe there is keys and markets and, oh, it just looks cool. And there's obviously a noob side and a professional side. That's fantastic. There's lots, just awesome. Let's look what else is in the box. Not a lot. Not a lot. There is a market. I think you just put all your stuff on that market. And a few more little, oh, look at that one. You see that one in the middle there? That is a double header. Wow, wow, wow. And here's some cards. And look, because it's Clank, we've got to look at some cards. Right. Hopefully. There's a goldfish. So it looks like that's like the goblin that you kill every turn, but it's a goldfish. Oh, look, he's double-sided. So I can read this. Fight this only in a flooded room. Ah, you got to be underwater. 3 gold. Nice. Nice. Yeah, nice. Crystal fish. You know, I've got a funny feeling that there might be a bit of a fish theme in this deck. Eye in the water. You can defeat it for 2 gold or 2 clank. Now, you know, some of my friends would probably go for the clank, but yeah, that'd be stupid. What's this one? A pipe organ. Because, like, pipe organ is totally in the theme of being underwater. Move the dragon marker 1 space up or down the racetrack. Your choice. Wow. Merlin. And there's a mermaid. Perhaps there's like more mers. Pickpocket. Anyway, this is Clank. This is the dragon. And this is exciting times for Clank because it's such a great game. And 2 days. I think I've got to wait 2 days before I get to play it. And it's when you guys say, Andy, I'm coming over to play the expansion. And John, I got it before you.